Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset domain settings in Ionos. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Ionos dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then click on domains and SSL. Okay, now after this I want you to scroll down and identify the domain you want to reset settings for. And here you should see it under common domain actions as well, right here, reset domain settings, but maybe they change the layout. You just click on your domain, that's okay. Then you scroll down until you see this right here, reset domain, okay? And it says right here, reset DNS or usage. So click on this one. And right here, you can see the different configurations. So this one is configured for WordPress. There's settings for that. And you can toggle this one on. So you can see these are the consequences. So you just click on reset now and it is being reset. Just give it time for it to reset. There you go. It has been successfully reset. Really that easy, and that is how to reset a domain settings in Ionos.